Singapore Theatre Company says it's deeply disappointing to have its play characterized by authorities as glamourising drug abuse. Wild Rice says the banning of its show Homepar just a day before staging was based on, quote, a reductive reading of nuanced and empathetic work. According to a synopsis on Wild Rice's website, Homepar is about someone who hosts a house party that recreates a gay nightclub atmosphere at home. It was one of several plays in development by the company. Actors were supposed to be reading drafts of the scripts, also known as dramatized readings, in front of a small audience. Wild Rice had an earlier version of the script approved to be performed under an R18 rating, but his latest script was rejected and it's had to cancel the shows. Media watchdog IMDA and the Home Affairs Ministry say the new script now features a Central Narcotics Bureau officer shielding abusers from detection. Authorities say it undermines Singapore's anti-drug policy, the drug rehabilitation regime and public confidence in the CNB. In response, Wild Rice says Homepar does not condone or glorify substance abuse. It says the play seeks to ask why people might turn to drugs and that characters express a range of responses to drugs, including rejection. The firm adds that the play ends with, quote, a celebration of community that is explicitly and intentionally drug-free. But Wild Rice says it's disappointed that a developmental work has been thrust into the public spotlight and judged as if it were a complete and finished work. It says it respects Singapore's stance against drug abuse. It's also committed to both responsible storytelling and working with regulators. Performances deemed to undermine Singapore's national interests are banned under the Arts Entertainment Classification Code. One researcher says the rating process can lead to misunderstandings between artist and regulator. It's calling for more dialogue instead.
When it comes to rating guidelines, there's no conversation in place. The conversation is the script. So sometimes if, let's say, because those at IMDA, they are humans reading the script. It's not a computer-generated process. If they don't understand the intended work, it might get mistranslated or the intention might get miscommunicated, which is why it's very subjective.